This is John with WTI. And me and my family, we always trying to stay away from diseases and catching our flus and colds. And this is where this supplement, turmeric and curcumin, comes into place. This guys here just does have done a great job for us when it comes just the ability of having a good amount of turmeric and curcumin that has helped us to keep our support our immune system pretty good. And one of the things that works really good with us is how easy is the pills to swallow are not that big, and it's not going to give you a funny stomach or stomach ache. And it does awesome. Sometimes working out with curcumin and turmeric, it's a bit complicated because it could get stains to your clothes. But just having an easy pill just to take any moment of the day and it's keeping you bulletproof from all these diseases, it's actually pretty much convenient. So this was John with WTI, and that was my pointer.